In a unique partnership with the Fairmont, Horton's Kids participants took cooking lessons from the hotel's acclaimed staff.
With covering some basics of the kitchen. First day they did like a simple salad with the technique of how to do a vinaigrette, etc. And we did like from scratch burgers, like with ground beef and roasted red pepper mixed and garlic and onions and parsley. So we pat it down and they did like two kinds of chicken stock, chicken broth, tomato soup. We did like an entire whole salmon. We clean it in front of them to make them realize that it's not that you go in the supermarket and you have the clean fillet for you. So we take the head out, the spin, the bones. So it was very interesting. They are not into vegetables usually, but they eat it all. They were so shiny and beautiful and tasty that they were very happy. They were very happy.
Of the things you've learned how to make in this program, what's been the best?
I wouldn't say the best, but because all of it was good. But my favorite was the salmon. So they got us a big salmon from like the ocean, and we sliced it open, and then we boned it, and we cut it up. And I was feeling bad because the salmon was looking at me. But yeah, it was really fun. And then we made the sauce for it and everything, and the presentation was really good.
Have you ever seen a salmon like that with all the scales and everything?
No, we buy the fillet, like just pre-cut and everything. So it was experience.
Having learned to select ingredients, prepare, and cook savory foods, the last course in this culinary program was dessert. The purpose of the program was to introduce Horton's Kids participants to career options they may not have known were available to them. Now graduates of the program, these kids will be star chefs at their own fundraising dinner. Tonight, June 19th, the kids take their talents to the next level, assisting Fairmont chefs in preparing a special prix-fixe dinner at Juniper, where 25% of proceeds will directly benefit Horton's Kids. Their special menu remains available through June 26th. It's the sweetest ending to a successful partnership.